So this is what's left of the pudding. So you must know how good it is for the last night and this amount left back. Oh no. Guys, me down in the back of my yard. Whoa. Not even one berry on the tree. Oh wow, I'm lying. There is one. There is one. Thank you, beautiful tree. Then the butterfly. Tastes good. So today, I'm gonna make one sweet potato pudding. I should have started way earlier, but I did. Either way, we're not on an ace because it's our thing, alright? So the timing is perfect, everything is perfect. We just go full joy at the moment. I did come look for some berries, but not much on this tree right here. So, oh, by the way, I mulberry them, guys. Mulberries. Really sweet. Cut up the sweet potato nice and easy. First step. Most difficult part. Then we cut up a piece of pumpkin in it too.
Yes, I reach.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And then feel that that's the juice. You done with it?
Sweet.
I won't take it much. And half a spoon, and then let's toast it. Here's a pit hallow, we lick about with the lower. Hey! But them know what them thing is. Them know what them style is. What them style. Some mixed spice, and we just go like this. Tip a little bit in there. Okay, because we now have a dab it in there. You can add any amount of sugar you want. You may add how much me you want. You know what you may do, what you want to do. Alright, see the right there. So now, sometimes should I put a little more sugar, but we just use the amount of sugar for now. Now we are now throw in the coconut milk. Not too much. Just a little oopsie. Alright, that's it. Okay, let's stir it up now. Stir it up. Stir it up real strong and nice. Wow, all of that goodness just a mix strong. Pumpkin, sweet potato. Here. Cornmeal flour. Coconut milk. Nutmeg. This now are the fricket what me I gonna make with this. So I make sure some season it with some nutmeg, some vanilla, like so. Some cinnamon powder with some all different kind of spices in this mixed spice. And now some brown sugar. I will go like so. Throw all of that in there. Alright. Grease the pan with a little bit of coconut oil.
What?
What video? No man, that good. Skip that for me, some man. Alright. Showing this now. Get ready for the magic. The baking powder and everything in this. It's a sweet potato pudding. And I might everything else in the cup. Alright guys, and this is what we call it freaking now. See there? They're showing this. Bottom part I wouldn't want it so. So see here? Sticky part of this. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Nice and easy. Do over this little bit more. Alright. Spread out the fire a little. So you know that in the middle. Do that with your hands. Active. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's the following day from me baking the pudding. Last night I totally forgot to make a video, so my friend come over and then I just start enjoying myself and me never remember. But we're gonna show you what if after the piece of pudding I make so long for video. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you guys what's left of the pudding. It turned out really good though, really bossy. I probably will make another pudding soon, but I don't. Guys, me seriously I tell you, so this is what's left of the pudding. So you must know how good it is for the last night and this amount left back. Oh no, but yeah. Getting an orange. Let me see what you choose first. Whoa! My coffee in this cute little cup that I got as a gift. And the magic. Taste this now, alright? So let's see. Remember I told us about the fricket on the top. Or forget the fricket. If you watch my video, I'm not going to say, oh, forget the fricket. It is just right. Look. Okay, you see the stickiness on the top, we call it the fricket. And this is perfect. I'm gonna do it only one time, only once. Not like go back and show nothing on the top. No sugar and water or nothing like that. Alright? One go and we get everything. I feel so proud. This never seems to amaze me. Coffee. Awful. Guys, use this recipe. Use my recipe. All right. Some people like use cocoa for the stiffness, but me don't really like cocoa in my pudding. All right. Let me say that. I don't like cocoa. I use it sometime, occasionally, if I feel like. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is my friend that I was telling you about that came last night and we forgot about the pudding totally. Say hi. Hi. Hi YouTube. We're trying to do a little video, a little not a TikTok, a YouTube video. Hello. Thank you. Celebration. Why are you doing with this? Thank you. Don't put it in your mouth. Let me see. I don't know. I'm not used to this kind. We'll put that sometime. This is busting. This is busting.
What is it?
I want to taste it. It's nice.
It is good.
Why didn't I it in this again? This look like lentil. Cucumber, tomato, lettuce. It's really good.
I wonder what time they close.
Them open till late. Yeah, nice.
Oh, yes, sir.
You want some of this? Do you want some?